All right, let's get straight to it. We're going to build a passive income machine right here, right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a killer automated YouTube channel using nothing but free AI tools. Seriously, zero cost. Let's do this.
Okay, let's kick things off with a huge idea. You know that feeling, that thought that starting on YouTube is just too hard? You think you need a fancy camera, crazy editing skills, and you definitely have to be comfortable on screen. Well, forget all of that. That entire wall has just been demolished by AI. The path to a successful money-making channel is now wide open.
So here's our game plan. 6 simple steps. This is the exact blueprint we're going to follow to get you from a blank slate to a fully published faceless video. No fluff, just the good stuff. All right, first step, the AI gold rush. So many people think, oh, all the good niches are taken, it's too crowded. Let me tell you, that's completely wrong. AI has basically hit the reset button on the entire game. This is a massive, massive opportunity for anyone to jump in and start creating amazing content. It's not just a little trend, people. This is a full-blown gold rush. Okay, step 2. Let's find that killer idea. This part is so important. It's the foundation for everything that comes next. And yep, we're going to use AI to make sure we get it right. So who's our partner in crime for this? ChatGPT. Don't just think of it as a chatbot. For our purposes, it's a world-class brainstorming partner, a YouTube branding expert, and a viral content strategist all rolled into one. And it's free. First things first, we need a name for our channel. It's super simple. You're going to tell ChatGPT to put on its YouTube branding expert hat. Then you give it the details. What's your niche? What's the vibe? What kind of names do you not want? Hit enter, and bam, you've got a whole list of awesome, memorable names to choose from. And here's the absolute key. You got to remember this. Your prompt is everything. Garbage in, garbage out, right? If you just say, give me channel names, you'll get generic junk. But if you give it details, if you give it personality, if you set the rules, that's when you get the magic. The more detail you give, the better the ideas you'll get back. Period. Okay, we've got our name and our big idea. Now for what I think is the most important part of this whole process, the script. Seriously, you can have the best visuals in the world, but if your script is boring, people are gone. This is where you hook them or lose them for good.
So, we're heading back to ChatGPT, but this time we're giving it a new job title, Expert Storyteller. We'll hand over our video concept and ask for a complete script. But don't just stop there. Tell it you want a 5-minute script, tell it to include a strong hook at the beginning, and ask for natural conversational pacing. Be specific.
And look, this is the goal. We're not trying to create a robotic, boring textbook reading. We need a script that feels human. It needs emotional hooks. It needs to tell a story. That's what keeps people watching until the very end, and that's what the YouTube algorithm loves to see. Boom. Script is done. Now for the fun part. We're going to bring this thing to life. It's time to generate the voice and all the visuals. And yes, you guessed it. We're doing this all with amazing, totally free AI tools. For the voiceover, we're going to use a tool called DupeDub. And this is so easy, it's almost cheating. You literally just copy your script, paste it into DupeDub, and then you get to browse through hundreds of super realistic AI voices. Find one that matches the personality of your channel, click a button, and you have a perfect professional-sounding voiceover. Done. When it comes to visuals, you've got a choice to make. You could go the old route with stock video, and it's fine for some things, but it can also look kind of generic, right? You've seen the same clips everywhere. That's why we're going with AI-generated images. This gives you total creative control. Every image is brand new, made just for your video. It lets you create a look and feel that's 100% unique to your channel. So here's the workflow, and it's a beautiful little 2-step process. First, you go back to ChatGPT and say, hey, based on this script, give me a list of detailed prompts for images. It'll spit out perfect descriptions. Then you head over to Canva, open up their free Magic Media app, and start pasting in those prompts. It's an incredible 1-2 punch for creating stunning custom visuals. Okay, we've got all our pieces. The voiceover is ready, the images are generated, now it's time for the final assembly. Let's put it all together and turn this pile of assets into a real, professional-looking video. And our tool of choice for this is CapCut. If you're not using this yet, you are missing out. It's 100% free, and honestly, it's shockingly powerful. It has everything we need. We can edit, add our visuals, create automatic captions, drop in music, the whole shebang. Here's the exact editing blueprint. It's really straightforward. First, you bring all your stuff in, voiceover, images, some copyright-free music. The key is to put the voiceover on the timeline first. That's your guide. Then you just drag your images on top and time them to the words. Add some simple zoom animations to keep things moving, hit the auto captions button, which is a lifesaver, and layer in your music. That's it. Now, a quick but super important pro tip on pacing. You want each image to be on screen for about 5 to 10 seconds. You go much faster, and it feels chaotic. You go slower, and people get bored and click away. That 5 to 10 second window, that's the sweet spot. It keeps the video flowing smoothly and keeps your audience engaged. We're so close. The video is finished, it's exported, it looks amazing, but hold on, don't hit publish just yet. The job is not done. Making a great video is only half the battle. Now we have to feed the YouTube algorithm so it actually shows our video to people. And for this last crucial step, we have another secret weapon, vidIQ. This is another free tool, and its AI coach feature is just incredible. It's basically like having a personal YouTube SEO expert telling you exactly what to write for your description and what tags to use to get the most views.
Check out this strategy. It's a perfect tag team approach. We start with ChatGPT and ask it for 5 extremely clickable titles. We pick the absolute best one. Then we take that winning title over to vidIQ and say, okay, based on this title, give me the perfect description and all the right tags. See how that works? It's a killer combo for getting discovered.
So, right before you hit that big blue publish button, just do this quick final check. You got an amazing title, your thumbnail pops, your description and tags are loaded up from our AI tools, everything looks good? Okay, now you're ready to set it to public and launch.
So think about what we just did. This isn't just a one-off trick. What you have now is a complete, repeatable system, a blueprint. You can do this over and over again to pump out high-quality videos and build an entire channel, a real passive income asset, without spending a single dime to get started.
So there you have it. We've gone through the whole thing, A to Z. You've got the tools, you've got the step-by-step process. The blueprint is right in front of you. So really, there's only one question left.